Hi everyone, wishing you all a very happy Onam. This is 24K Jewel and thank you so much for watching this video. Hey look! My friends are here giving me a surprise visit to say a very big hi to all of you. That's the mom and her babies. Well, that was such a surprise and just made me really happy. I hope you like this video, and to know how I got the eye look, please continue watching. Thank you. To begin with, we start off by applying a concealer on our eyelids. And the one that I'm using is from MAC. And next, using this lip liner from NYX in the shade Blue Veloute, I am drawing a line on the outer crease and filling the entire socket with that. And now I'm going to be covering my entire socket with these two shades of red called Go-Go and Coral Reef from the palette Dream of Colors. Since my blouse is more like a blue-red, I'm using these three shades that has blue and purple. And the shades that I'm using are Coastal Sunset, Tahiti, and Purple Haze. So I'm going to apply all these three shades on the outer crease of my eyelids. I'm going to mix these shades and apply it. And I'm also dragging it all the way to the inner crease of my eyes. You can see how I'm blending all these colors together. Now I'm going to be applying this bright red Go-Go on the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm going to be applying this bright yellow called the Sunbathe. Wow, it's such a bright, a beautiful, perfect name for the shade, I think. So I am applying it on the center of my eyes and lightly, just lightly kind of, brushing it off so it gives a neat look. And I'm going to be using Go-Go on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to be using a gel eyeliner to line my eyes. You can use a liquid eyeliner if you want to. It's just your preference, whatever you want and how intense you want your eye look to be. Doesn't matter what a friend say, I stay. And time for more Go-Go. So Go-Go goes below the black liner. You can see the way I'm applying it. And I'm just brushing off all the excess. I'm adding a little more liner to increase the intensity. I just realized that I completely forgot this step. So the shadow that I'm using is called Swing on a Star Spellbinder shadow from MAC Cosmetics, and it's a limited edition and it is more like a grayish, purplish, blackish, I don't know, kind of a shadow with rainbows of sparkles in it. It's just so beautiful, and it's just when you touch it on your finger, oh my goodness, the feel is just amazing. I just love it. And since it's a limited edition, I'm not sure if we might find it. If I do, I'll put it on the description below. So I'm finishing it off, and this is my final look. I hope you all like it, and I also hope you try this eye look for Onam especially. If you do, let me know. And oh, try this out. This particular shade, the Sunbathe from Dream of Colors palette, is just so beautiful on the center of your lips, especially when you're wearing a bright red lipstick. This is just amazing. Just look at it. I mean, I think it's one of the best shades. Just need a home. And it's alright if you take some time to understand. Do send me an email or comment below and let me know if you have any suggestions for me to try different looks. And like I always say, your comments really make me so happy every time I read one. Thank you so much. And please do subscribe, share, and like. Bye, guys.